So you can see in this way I'm on my roof, and here I came for creating video. And weather is cloudy but humidity in the weather, and I'm feeling like restless and sweat also, because wind is not blowing this time. So may it rain after some times. This video is going to be short and sweet for you, so stick this video till the end. You might be puzzled seeing my thumbnail, English habit. What is this English habit? So hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. My friend, how are you all? I hope you people are doing amazing in this rainy season and having a great time learning every single day and becoming better. So my friend, before breaking it down for you English habit, let me turn your attention towards your native language, and I want to discuss little about your native language. So my friend, in your native language, whenever you speak, whenever you think, do you give effort? No. You think effortlessly. You speak effortlessly, fluently, without giving any effort and anything else. Why? Why does it happen? You know why it happens? Because your native language has become part of you. It is in your habit, and that's why you don't need to give hard effort for this. It comes naturally, effortlessly, and that's why, my friend, you speak fluently, effortlessly, naturally, and also think. So same goes with this English language. And I, Nisha, want to make you understand how it will work for you and what you need to do. So my friend, English is also a language and you need to make it in your habit. Yes, English should be in your habit, in your daily life every day, not one day, some days, and for few hours. If you work on English in this way for some days and for few hours, then you are not gonna become fluent and speak naturally, effortlessly. If you want speak naturally, effortlessly, then my friend, make the English your habit. Work on it every single day, not for few hours but throughout the day. Then my friend, it will become habit of your life, of your, and then there will be possibility to speak naturally, effortlessly, without giving hard and effort. And for this, what do you need to do? So for this, my friend, I want to tell you, see, as you are, non-backgroundal person, you don't have environment, so you can't speak throughout the day. But you can do speaking practice for few hours. So do that one. This is the one thing you have to do every single day. Another thing is that whenever you are walking, you are performing your duty at your home, doing your work, at that time you have to explain in English. No matter someone is there or not, but you have to do it in English. This is the second thing. Third, my friend, you have to do reading. Yes, you heard me right. You have to do reading. And fourth, you have to do listening. In this era, all ages group people are spending more time on social media, in scrolling, in listening, in watching something else. So you also might have some favorite thing, you scroll, you watch, you listen. So same thing, you have to watch every day, but only you have to change the language. Yes, you have to change the language. You watch in Hindi, then watch in English. Start listening in English, start watching in English. So in this way, my friend, you have to do in listening. Other thing is that whenever you are alone, when whenever we are alone and we are not doing anything else, at that time what we do, we think. And in which language we think? We think in our native language. So my friend, instead of thinking in native language, start thinking in English. So that's how, my friend, you will work on English in thinking, in listening, in reading, in speaking, and while explaining. That's how you will be able to work. There will be possibility to work on English throughout the day, 24 by 7. And in this way, my friend, English will become part of your habit. It will become your habit, and once you will make it your habit, then, my friend, there is great possibility to speak English fluently, naturally, effortlessly. My friend, you will not have to give the hard effort for that. All things will be happen automatically and naturally. Just you need to make it your habit. Then this thing will be possible for you, and your dream, your dream, speaking English fluently, naturally, effortlessly, will be done, will be come true, my friend, in this way. So, my friend, in today's video I wanted to tell this, and I tried to make you understand, explain everything else in this video in short way. So, my friend, I hope you like, and this video is going to be fruitful for you and add the value in your journey, in your English journey, to make your journey easier to learn this language quickly. So if it, then please like, share, and subscribe, and